Do you ever learn something from another crafter and you think, why didn't I think of that? Today's tip was one of those for me. Why have I never thought of this amazing way to use punches before? I don't know, but another crafter shared it with me and I have to share it with you. Let's take a look at it. So we're looking at a really amazing way to create tags or elements that look like tags that you can use on card projects, scrapbook pages, anything you are creating. So of course, it is simple to use any punch to create a tag, punch it out, put a little hole through the top, use some ribbon, decorate it. It becomes a tag. But have you ever thought of using your punches in this way to create tags? What you're going to need is some paper folded in half. The folded edge, you need to pay attention to where that is. Most likely you're going to want that near the top. But the key is you cannot punch, you have to keep that fold intact. So it needs to be showing just a tiny bit at the edge of your punch, whether that's the top, the bottom, the side, whatever it is, needs to be showing just barely so that we don't punch that fold off. I'll punch through. Now we have this adorable punch in that same shape that opens like a tag. I love these little punches to create fun shaped holes for tags, my little hole punch assortment for creating those holes, but I have an adorable tag I can use for a gift. I can use this on a card project or anything else that I'm creating. If you have awesome tips you would love to share with others, comment down below and tell me. If you have problems in your crafting that you want tips to help solve, let me know that too. Like, comment, share these things, friends. It helps other crafters find my videos, and it helps me when you do those things. I appreciate you. I appreciate you watching along. And I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you see and make with love.